if the deal doesn't work, if the numbers don't make sense, I'm never a motivated buyer, and I know you're not either. Um, I'll make an offer to a seller that works. If I can compromise, I will. I'll give a little bit more sometimes, but in the end, the numbers have to work. We had a saying in the restaurant business, and a lot of you guys know that for 20 years, my career was restaurant management. We had a saying in the kitchen, and that was, if you pull something out of the refrigerator, should you use it? Should you not use it? And our saying was, if there is a question, there is no question. You throw it out. And I'm the same way about a deal. Unless there is absolute certainty that I'm going to make a profit, that I'm going to make money, I'm not interested. I have to have that certainty. Anything that's questionable, well, I might make money on this, I might not, I'm not interested. And so I would say to you, unless you can get the numbers where you need for them to be, no, I just let it go.